That's working the video and here so still. So now in Ghana, we are part of the eligible country to earn money from Facebook. And the question is, what account on Facebook can you earn money from? We have two types of Facebook account. We have profile and then we have the page. We have profile and then we have the page, and you cannot make money from your profile before you convert your profile account to a professional mode account before you can earn money from there. I will bring more videos. This is just episode one of the Facebook monetization process. This is just the first video of it. So with other videos, I will leave everything right in the comment section or the description of the video, okay, so that you can watch them. But know that before you can make money from your profile account, you need to convert it. So just subscribe, okay? So when you convert it, then you turn on some features, then you can start earning from there. With the page, it is automatic. After creating the page comes from profile. So you need to have firstly have a profile account or professional mode account. Then you can create your Facebook page from it, okay? And before you can earn money from Facebook, there are some criteria, there are some target that you need to reach before you can start to get money. Although we are saying that monetization is here, but not just that. As you open Facebook, then you are true, you can monetize your videos and start making money. Facebook is just a platform, a social media platform that you post videos, you post pictures, and then you get interactions, and that's all, okay? So if you're going to earn money from that, okay, yes, then it will be based on your reels. I mean, Facebook reels, you'll be earning money from there. And when you go live, you also be earning money from there. When you post your videos, I mean normal videos, okay, so we have the reels. Although it's a video but in a TikTok form, up to 1 minute 30 seconds, then you put that short video, okay, and then that's the reels. And then we have the normal video that you can post any length, okay. Then we have the going off live. You go live, then you get something. Then from the in-stream ad is from the video that you posted. So we have these types of earnings on the platform that you can make money from. And some of them you need to show your interest, that you're interested in this, you're interested in that, before you be able to monetize or get money from that side. You need to also make sure you post original content, not just any videos. Don't be copying post. It will not help you. So just make sure you get original content or videos made by you and not anyone. That will help make your account or your page original and then authentic. And if they are to monetize, it will not be very, very tough for you, or you will get it very easy with the monetization. Okay. So just subscribe. More videos will be coming right here on this platform. Thanks for watching. Stay alive and bye for now.